Namaskar. Working smarter will define how quickly you can achieve things in your life. With yoga, everyone wants to achieve perfect health and perfect body. Some believe that yoga is a slow and long process, but I am going to tell you how to transform your body within 4 weeks, and for that, you need to work smartly. The key for quicker transformation lies in your spine. Ancient yogis knew this secret. Yes, if you work upon your spine in certain ways, then you can achieve quicker physical transformation. The trick is to exercise your spine in 5 different directions every day. That is forward, backward, upward, twist, and inversion. By exercise your spine in these 5 directions, you can bring a drastic change in your body in no time. Today, I am going to give you these 5 asanas that can exercise your spine in 5 different directions. However, always remember to listen to your body and only push yourself to a comfortable level. Now let's begin. First is Ushtrasana, that is Camel Pose. Ushtrasana stretches and opens the chest and shoulders, which can help alleviate the tightness caused by hunching over devices, computers, and so on. This improved posture not only enhances the physical appearance but also helps in better breathing and better lung capacity. Remember to practice this asana regularly to feel more vibrant and even to feel emotionally centered. So understand how to do Ushtrasana. Sit in Vajrasana position, toes inwards. Upper body should bend backwards. Your palm should be rested behind your legs and the fingers should be outwards and thumb towards your body. And now lift your bottom up while inhaling. Throw your head back and stay in that position for some time and come back in the normal position. The next is Paschimottanasana. This asana is an excellent forward bending stretch to your entire spine. This asana stretches the entire back of your body, including the spine, hamstrings, calf muscles, and hips. Regular practice of this asana automatically increases flexibility in all these areas, helping you achieve a greater range of your body motion. Steps. Sit and stretch your legs outwards. Sit in a relaxed way, both hands on the side. Now, while breathing in, lift your palm up and bring them on the sides of the chest, and then simultaneously inhale and bend little back. Your shoulder should be expanded, chest expanded. Now, while breathing out, stretch outwards, bend forward to try to touch your toe. Stay in that position, come back again. You can go ahead, slowly try to hold the big toe and touch the head to the knee, elbows on the ground, and stay in this position for some time. This is a complete stretch of the entire spine. Come back in the normal position. Third asana is Sarvangasana, shoulder stand. This is a powerful yoga inversion where the shoulders support the body with the legs extended upwards. Sarvangasana engages various muscles, including core, shoulders, leg muscles, neck muscles, etc. In this asana, the body's inverted position is supported by your shoulders and your hands. This can lead to a good amount of muscle tone throughout the body. Sarvangasana, it really exercises the whole body. To do Sarvangasana, you have to lie down, straight, arms on the side, legs relaxed straight. Now, first inhale, and while exhaling, lift both the legs straight up, and lift your back also upwards with the support of your arm, which are resting on your back. Stay in this upright position for some time. This is a beautiful position. Whole body is up. Only your neck and shoulder and head are on the ground. In this position, stay for some time, say half a minute, and come back to the normal position in the same way. Fourth asana is Talasana number 2. This is a powerful standing stretch. Talasana involves raising the arms upwards and stretching your whole spine upwards. It helps stretching your entire spine upwards laterally. This helps improve blood circulation throughout the body. This gives you healthier skin, better oxygen, and nutrients delivery to the cell, and it improves the vitality. Now, while inhaling, raise your both arms up. Inhale fully and simultaneously go on your toe, means raise your heels upwards. So your whole body is on your toes and the whole body is stretched upwards. Bring your arms straight up above the head. Stay in a balanced state in that position, and then while rotating both the arms from the side, from behind, bring them down. Along with it, bring your legs also down. Along with it, your breathing also will be exhaling. So here, inhalation, hand movements, leg movements, all this should be synchronized. Very good posture. Try and see that you focus well, otherwise you won't be able to do this. Synchronization will not be there. So do it very gracefully and you can really help the whole body. Next asana is Supta Vakrasana or supine twist. This asana gives a gentle twist for your whole body, especially your spine. Twisting poses like Supta Vakrasana can aid in the detoxification process by gently removing the toxins from the digestive organs and promotes better circulation. Lie down and bend your legs so that your knees are pointing upwards. Your foot comes closer to your body. So in this position, you relax. Now, while exhaling, let both the knees go to one side and the head on the other side. So here you are twisting and your hip is also twisting. So go to the side and then while inhaling, come back. Go on the other side. Both knees should go together and your foot also should go one above another. So do it on the other side and come back in this same position. So do these rounds where knee is on right, so head is pointing towards left and so on. So this is a Supta Vakrasana position. Remember, exercising regularly with the spinal asanas which I have mentioned right now will not only boost your spinal health but also transform your body in a month's time. Take a first step today and start transforming your body from now onwards. Take charge of yourself. Namaskar.